If you want to cancel your Deliveroo free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo app. Launch the Deliveroo app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account section, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find subscription details. Look for the option that says Subscriptions or Manage Subscription. This section will provide you with details about your current plan and trial status. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial. Once you are in the subscription details, find the option to cancel your free trial. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After you have cancelled the trial, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check for this to ensure that your cancellation was successful. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Deliveroo free trial. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Deliveroo customer support for assistance.